All right, hey, trust you are doing well. Recording here at a different spot. I'm at my home office here. Kind of take a quick look around. Got the water views out there, but I'm working from home. I had some plumbing issues. So yeah, like look, Facebook land, not everything is always roses, right? So again, we had the plumber have to be here to take care of some stuff. So meanwhile, while he's doing that, I'm cranking away on some team meetings and work and things like that. But also I just wanted to kind of share with you our update and what we're looking at and what we're seeing. And again, no doubt you see right now interest rates are coming down, which has been a good thing. And again, like what we talked about earlier in the year, that I would expect we're going to see a rate cut. We already see the bond market, the 10-year treasuries down, as of the shooting of this, just right there knocking about 4%. Probably nudges under that here pretty directly. There's a lot of money flowing into the bonds. Exactly what I said would happen, months ago. I said, as that starts to take place, either one, the economy softens, or two, they start getting to a place of doing rate cuts, then what that means is that more money will flow into bonds. And as more money flows into bonds, it's pushing price up and yield down. But what I also look at and see is about what's going on with current opportunities in the marketplace. And one of the things that we want to talk about or share with you is the lending arena. What you see is some of the big players, Blackstone, KKR, others have been raising money where they're using that in a lending capacity, whether it is in terms of rehab element, capital stack element, going in and assisting on projects that need to be completed, and then they're getting a good and robust return. And then typically that type of lending is more secure in the capital stack, meaning that they're investing that money maybe behind a first mortgage, but ahead of any existing equity. And so it's important to see and understand what's on the horizon. Now, I would definitely say, as we said, there's no doubt more in the way of what we'll see as multifamily deals coming into the marketplace into this year and into next year. But I would also say that right now in the near term, that lending capacity presents a real opportunity. And so you're going to see, if you look at the Wall Street Journal or whatever, and I would say this, look, I would advise you, if you can, get a subscription to that, whether it's digital or in print, because when you read that, you get a good just overall thumbnail on a lot of stuff that's going on in the marketplace. And so, it doesn't take you much time. It's, 10 minutes a day or something like that. And you'll see some of the things that, we see and focus on, not just from that, but other direct sources that we study to really see what's going on in the marketplace. Now, again, with respect to this debt element, we haven't spoken about it much, but this has been going on since, probably almost a year back, call it September, October of last year. Those guys, the large guys, started raising capital specifically for this, and they've already been deploying this year, and there's going to be more deployment this year ahead. So it definitely is going to be an area of opportunity over the next probably at least 2 years, maybe 3, but 2 years for sure. And so it's also a great way to marry, debt with equity that is being invested and getting stellar returns. So just something that we see in the marketplace today. And again, looking forward to seeing where rates go. Rates are going to start to moderate a bit more. And then again, I would suggest that probably the Fed is on track to cut rates in September. And then, that is already starting to get the senses being stirred in the marketplace. People that I talk with, more buyers are going to start to want to enter into the marketplace. So it's going to be a good thing. All right. Hey, you have a blessed and victorious week, for this is the week God has ordained for you.